Hi guys, thank you for friends. Thank you for visiting my channel. I did a glass face video and I feel like I was going too fast. I need to slow it down and actually mention the benefits of each oil. So I'm going to do that today and let's get going. I started with the Grandpa Soap Company charcoal soap. The benefits of using charcoal, it detoxifies your skin, and it also what else? It has hemp seed oil. Don't know the benefits of that. I will look that up. I'm pretty sure it's excellent for skin health and scalp health. So, first step, rose water. Rose water, the benefits of rose water is it's like a toner. Yes, a natural toner. I'm sleepy, y'all. This is my third time making a video. And for some reason, I keep hitting the delete button. The delete button. Yeah, I keep hitting that. Why? Okay. Next oil is vitamin E. I'm looking up the benefits of vitamin E. I know it's good for scars. Yes, for scars and skin health, scalp health. But let me read it from my little tablet. It's an antioxidant and it helps protect cells from damage. So it's like a barrier, which is awesome. And once you, of course, we start spraying first. All the different oils you're applying to your face, you're like putting layers and layers of a barrier, which we all need, especially in the summertime. But we are in the fall right now. It's October, no, November. So we're still good. Marula oil. Marula oil has excellent skin benefits. That actually, what did it say? I looked it up, y'all. Marula oil. Let's find her again. Help with stretch marks, decrease acne. It boosts health hair, scalp health, soothe dry skin, anti-aging, so that means less wrinkles. Kudos. Arula. Marula. I said Arula. Marula. Vitamin E. Grab it. Excellent for scars, skin health. It's just basically just is great for your skin. Antioxidant, barrier, of course, a good thick barrier. Vitamin E is very thick. What's the next one? Glycerin. What is the benefits of glycerin? That's the last step. Glycerin, yes. Make sure you dilute glycerin when you use this oil. Very, very important. So that's why at the end, I either use this spray or this spray. I can't remember which one I just used. Again, I'm tired. So you choose which one you want to use at the end or in the beginning. Then you use your glycerin. You apply that to your face. Boom. You're done. You got all the barriers. You locked in all the probiotics. You locked in the rose water. You locked in the water when you first washed your face. So everything got 3 layers of moisture locked in. So this is it, guys. I'm rushing because I'm tired. I did this 3 times, but it's okay. It's a charm. It's a charm. At the end, what do? I drink Irish moss.